What else? Meryl, scope. Yes, may scope. Andres, may scope. CC, volt. VOLT. Until 9:30 p.m. tayo, guys, ha? VOLT. Yan. What else? Scout. SCOUT meron. Volcanoes. Where is it? Letter V. VOLCANOES. Wow, volcanoes is such a long word, ha? Galing. What else? Gandang gabi. Di ba sa live ka rin kanina, Cherry Moon? Were you able to attend the live earlier? What, guys, punta na ako sa baba ng comment section, ha? Kasi naglalag sa taas. COUPON, coupon, meron coupon. Spot, SPOT, comment nyo na lang ulit yung mga words na na-skip ko. Scone, SCONE, meron. Canos, CANOES, meron. Scope, meron. SCOPE, meron. Spout, tsaka scout. Let's do that. SCOUT, meron. Tas spout, SPOUT. Parehong meron yon. Main, MAIN, very good. Volt, VOLT, meron din. Acetone, ACETONE. Pwede lagyan ng S, acetones. Lava, LAV, pwedeng lava. LAV, guys, hindi, I'm not sure kung pwedeng lava kasi hindi pwedeng ulitin yung isang letter na gamitin. Kaya pag nagamit mo na siya, that's it. Space, SPA, pwede ba yung space? Hindi rin pwedeng patalon-talon. Kailangan connected yung magkasunod lagi. Okay? Parang hindi pwedeng space, na. Kasi SPA, malayo yung P sa A. So, we're moving forward. COUP, there you go, meron. Clam, CLAM, very good. Spout, yes, Uzi, meron. Art, may scout din. SCOUT, meron. What else? Coupon, yes, we have coupon. COUPON. Multi, I don't know the meaning of the word multi, pero meron ba sa board? Do we have a letter Y? Wala tayong letter Y, guys. Malt lang, guys, malt. Let's do clot, CLOT, then bolt, BOLT. Yes, clot and bolt are in the board. Okay? COUPE. Lagi ito nabibigay pero wala pa nagbibigay ng meaning niya. What is the meaning of COUPE? I don't know the meaning of that. If you can give the meaning, it will be very much appreciated. Okay? LEFT, left, meron, left. Volcanoes, yes, meron volcanoes. Ito siya, ulitin natin. VOLCANOES, volcanoes. Yes, what else? Okay, we still have 1 minute and 30 seconds left in our timer. Scout, meron. Lefty, yes, lefty, pwede yan. LEFTY, lefty. Coupon, let's do that again. COUPON, very good. Valley, VALET, there you go, meron. Cones, CONES, meron. Cleft, 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 meron. Merrill, field, tsaka felt, let's do that. FEET, meron. Fit, FEEL, feel, meron din. Battle, BOTT, I think we cannot do battle kasi BOT, we only have one T here, wala siyang kadikit na T. Tatalon siya, hindi kasi pwede tumatalon, kailangan magkadikit yung magkasunod. Canopy, canop, yun, canop, merong CANOPE. Okay, canop. Clan, I'm not sure with that word, ha? CLAN, meron. I don't have the time to check, guys, sa mga words hindi ako sure. Oh guys, thank you, Valley Wheels, wala daw canop. Canopy kasi meron. SCOPE, kaya wala sa board yung canopy. Canopy. Okay, yung parang sa bahay, yung parang hindi ba yung basa? Basta yun. Malt, MALT, I don't know how to describe it. Pero yung nasa labas ng nasa labas ng bahay. Parang silong. Diba? Penalty. PENALTY. Very good, ha? Left, meron, to scope. Guys, time's up. What do you think is our longest word for this round? What is our longest word for this round? Let me know if you can remember. Do you remember the longest word, guys? Let me know. What's the longest word? Is it volcanoes? I think so. Volcanoes. That's a 9-letter word. Penalty is ano? 7-letter word. Okay? So we have a 9-letter word for with volcanoes. Okay, guys, for the next round, I will just shuffle the board. While waiting, guys, can you share the live? I need 5 na mag-share ng live, okay? While waiting, I need 5 people who can share the live, okay? Wow, wow naman. Wala akong masabi, guys. Ang daling maglambing sa inyo ng share. Thank you very much. Okay, so I'm getting ready with the board. I think in about 10 seconds we can have the next round, okay? Okay, guys, get ready, guys. Here's the board. Timer starts now. Can you give me the first word? Can you give me the first word? All right. We are excited to know the first word, guys. What's the first word? Real. R-E-A-L. R-E-A-L. Very good. Sand. S-A-N-D. S-A-N-D. Over there. Meron. Sorty. S-O-R-T-Y. Very good. Sandal. S-A-N-D-A-L. Guys, kapag nami-miss out ko yung word nyo, paki-comment lang ulit. Dart. D-A-R-K. Road. R-O-A-D. Very good. Deal. D-E-A-D-E-D-E-A-L. Very good. Hearts. H-E-E-A-R-T-S. Wow, that's a nice word. Soak. S-O-A-K. Keep your words coming, guys. Dice. D-I-C-E. D-I-C-E. Very good. Sandal. Yes, may sandal. Store. S-T-O-R-E. Roaster. R-O-A. How do we begin? R-O-A-S-T-E. Oh, I'm not sure if we can do roaster. We can do it. R-O-A-S-T-E-R. Very good. Trailed. T-R-A-I-L-E-D. Go ahead, guys. Keep your words coming. Healed. H-E-H-E-A-L-E-D. Okay, guys. Heralded. Ano kasi ibig sabihin ng word na heralded? H-E-R-A-L-D. D-E-D? Can we do it? T-E-D, yes, we can do it. Kahit anong ibig sabihin nun? Hearts meron po. Let's do that once again. H-E-A-R-T-S. Okay guys, bilisan nyo lang pag-comment ng mga words para mabasa natin lahat. D-I-C-E. I would like to remind you na meron tayong timer. Hearty, H-E-A-R-T-Y. So kung di pa naku-comment ang word nyo, paki-comment na lang ulit. Y-E-A-R-S, years. Y-E-A-R-S. Wow, very good ha. Lost. L-O-S-T. Ano pa guys? Story. S-T-O-R-E-Y. Very good. It's like a 2-story building. Parang ganon. Heralded. Itinakda. Thank you kay Mito. Herald. Meron ding heralded. H-E-R-R-A-L-D. That's a nice word to learn tonight. Heralded. Rose. R-O-A-S-T. Meron. Sand. Meron. Heralded to be announced by an official. Ayun. Pwede daw ganun din, sabi ni Eman. To be announced by an official. Okay, Jacqueline, let's do healed. H-E-A-L-E-D. Guys, comment nyo na ulit-ulit yung mga words hindi pa natin na-check para ma-check natin. H-E-A-R-S. Para ma-shoutout, guys. Sayang naman. Kasi meron tayong timer. So, guys, huwag kayong magpatumpik-tumpik. Kailangan pag di pa nako-comment, T-R-A-I-L-E-D, trailed. Kailangan, guys, i-comment nyo na ulit. Meron deal. D-E-A-L. D-E-A-L. Ano pa, guys? Meron pa kayo nakikita? Hailed. H-A-I-L-E-D. Merong hailed. Soul, S-O-L-E, S-O-L-E. Very good. Road, R-O-A-D. Ano pa guys? Comment ng ulit ng mga words. L-O-A-D-E-D. Merong loaded. Yes, loaded tayo ng mga words ngayon. Dami natin nakikita. H-E-A-R-T-Y. Ano pa guys? Hearty. Road, R-O-A-D. Meron yan guys. Sand. Meron din. Buhangin. S-A-N-D over there. Healed. Yan. Thrice tsaka hearty. Yung hearty meron. Yung thrice, let's do it. T-H, parang hindi pwedeng thrice kasi malayo yung T sa H. Tama ba ako guys o nagkakamali ako? Let me know. Habol natin ulit mamaya yan guys. Balikan natin. Hail. H-A-L-E. Ano pa guys? Deary. D-E-A-R-Y. Very good. Trail tsaka trailed. Meron po yan. T-R-A-I-L, trail. Tapos lagyan natin ng E-D, trailed na siya. What else? Site. C-I-T-E. Paano yung site, guys? C-I-T-E. Wala tayong letter T na malapit dito. I don't think we can do that. Okay? Hindi kasi pwedeng patalon-talon. Kailangan magkadikit yung magkasunod. What else, guys? Lost. L-O-S-T. Meron naman. So we have less than a minute sa ating timer. So guys, i-comment nyo na ulit. Ang mga words hindi ko pa na shoutout. Sodas. Merong sodas. Okay? Solar. S-O-L-A-R. Meron. Loaded. Healed. Meron. Trail. Meron. Halo. Halos o halo. Halo. Lagyan natin S. Halos. Stole. Still stole. Guys, still tapos stole. Wala na siyang D. O past participle. Stolen. Diba? Still, stole, stolen. Walang stole. Tama ba ako, guys? Let me know kung nagkakamali N-E-A-R. That's my memory. NIS. N-I-E-C-E. Meron NIS. Okay, store meron din. Hearty, purple meron. What else? Meron may rose. Snide. S-N-I-D-E. S-N-I-D-E. Meron tayong habol. Dice meron. Adore. Habol natin yung adore. Kung pwede siya, A-D-O-R-E. Pwede yung adore. Okay, dealers. Habol din natin yung dealers. Nakita ko siya bago mag-times up. D-E-D-E-A-L. Hindi pwedeng dealers. Hindi yata pwedeng dealers, guys, ha? Kasi D-E-D-E-A-L. Parang hindi kaya yung dealers, no? Okay, guys, what is our longest word for this round? Hindi pwedeng dealers, no? Let me know. What is our longest word? Guys, ano yung longest word natin sa round na to? Hearts, hearty. What else? H-E-A-R-T-Y. 6 letter lang to. Heralded, yes. T-R-A-I-L-E-D is 7-letter word. H-E-R-A-L-D-E-D. Heralded is an 8-letter word. So our longest word for this round is heralded. Okay, guys, I will just shuffle the word now. While I'm preparing for the next game, I need... yes, Ray of Sen. Thank you sa pag-follow. First game pa lang yun, Marvin. Okay, this is our second game. Okay, kung hindi pa kayo nakafollow sa account ko, I would like to invite you to follow my account para lagi kayo maka-join sa ating live games. Okay? Celine, thank you sa pag-follow. Gracie, thank you sa pag-follow. Berlang, thank you sa pag-share. Okay? While preparing for the next round, follow na kayo sa account ko kung di pa kayo naka-follow. And, announcement, I need 1 share sa live. 1 share, guys. Makapag-game na tayo. Okay? Mag-share, isang share lang ng live, mag-game na tayo pag ready na ako sa board. Okay? Thank you, guys. Yan, may nag-share na. That's good enough. But if you want to share the live, I would love to see that. Okay, guys? But I'm ready with the board now. Timer starts now. Get ready with your first word. What's the first word? Game namin noon. Oh guys, so na 80s and 90s natin nilalaro to, di ba? Okay? First word, give me the first word. And it's good to know na maraming naglalaro nito noon. Yeah, binabalik natin, guys, because this game doesn't get old. It's the same exciting, fun, and learning game. EASED, educational game. Vine. V-I-N-E. Keep your words coming, guys. 7, S-E-V-E-N. Sige, guys, comment lang yung mga words ninyo. B-E-A-T-S. Kung nami-miss out ko, i-comment nyo lang ulit, ha? Huwag kayong papayag. This, T-H-E-S-E, na hindi natin ma-shoutout yung words na nakita niyo. Teaser, T-E-A-S-E-R. Very good. Serve, S-E-R-V-E-D. Very good. Yan. Shit, tsaka shed. Shit, S-H-E-E-T meron, tapos shed, S-H-E-D. S-H-E-D meron. Ano yun? Devin ba yun? Parang Devane. Marvin Devane ba yan? What is the meaning of Devane? D-E-V-E-I-N. Parang may ganyang word. Marvin, baka mabigay mo yung meaning ng Devane. Eastern ba yun? E-A-S-T. Guys, baki-comment ulit yun. Bested muna. B-E-S-T-E-D. What else? Medyo nami-miss out na. Snores sa snored muna. Snores. S-N-O-R-E-S. D-O-R-E-D. Sino nag-i-snore dyan, guys? Saka naghihilik-hilik dyan pag natutulog. D-O, Don, D-O, D-O, guys, pwede ba yung Don? D-O-N? Parang malalayo yung mga N. D-O-N-N-E-D. Pwede pala. C, meron Don. Bites, B-Y-T-E-S, B-Y-T-E-S, very good. Meron pa guys na miss out ko, soiree. O, sino umattend ng mga soiree dyan nung sila ay nasa school pa? Soiree. Okay, teasers, may soiree pa ba ngayon? T-E-A-S, teasers, T-E-A-S-E-R-S, very good ha, medyo tricky yun, pero nakita nyo. Yeast, Y-E-A-S-T, Y-E-A-S-T, very good. Rewind, Hana, ano ibig sabihin ng rewind? R-E-V-I-N-E-D. Meron sa board ha. Invest. I-N-V-E-S-T. For the words na hindi natin masyadong familiar, it would be better if we can share the meaning, okay, by looking into the dictionary. Okay? Eastern, E-A-S-T-E-R-N. Very good. Eastern says, lagyan mo yung S over there. Meron this. Ideas ba yun? Ideas. Yes, meron ideas. V, T-H-E-E. Meron. Invested. Wow, I like that word. I-N-V-E-V-E-S-T-E-D. I-N-V-E-I-N-V-E-S-T. I don't think we can do invested. Invest lang yata ang pwede. Let me know kung kaya ba natin buuin yung invested without skipping a letter. Asteroid. A-S-T-E-R-O-I-D. Kay Mito, kaya ba natin yung invested? Beaters. B-E-A-T-E-R-S. Meron beaters. Best, B-E-S-T meron. So, 4-letter words and up, pasok dito guys ha. Di kaya, kay Mita, thank you. Dito kaya invested guys, invest lang ang kaya. Merong snort saka snores, Marvin. Teaser, yes meron teaser, T-E-A-S-E-R, meron. It's okay Celine guys, okay lang yun. Normal lang yan. Levy, thank you sa pag-follow. What else? Yes, merong yes. Adorn, A-D-O-R-N. Pwede, kaya ba nating adorn? A-D-O-R-N. Yes, pwedeng adorn. Yes, Hilmeol, merong yes. Joe, merong is. So we still have 1 minute and 1 second left in our timer. Read tsaka never. Let's do read. R-E-R-E-A-D. Very good. Never. N-E-V-E-R. Meron siya. Snore. Yes, Hannah, meron snore. Stairs. S-T. Can we do stairs? I'm not sure. S-T. Guys, balikan ko yung stairs. Hindi ako sigurado kung kaya natin buuin yan. Seaters muna. S-E-A-S-E-A-T-E-R-S. Merong seaters. Sure. S-H-E-E-R. Pwede. Pwede siyang lagyan ng S na shears. Tama ba? Taser o taser. T-A-S-E-R. T-A-S-E-R. I don't know the meaning of taser. Okay? Tis tsaka taser. Mayroong taser. Yung tis naman, T-E-A-S. T-E-A-S-E-T. Meron tis. Rest. R-E-S-T. Yan. It's a good game before tayo mag-rest tonight for our sleep. Serve. S-E-R-V-E. Meron. Okay guys, habol natin yung mga humabol. Merong Eastern. Yes, meron. Meron teasers, may beaters. So guys, time's up na tayo. Hernia, pasok natin. Hernia. Yes, may hernia. Okay guys, what is our longest word for this round? Is it? Do you remember the longest word? CC? AIDS? Let's check that out. AIDS. H-I-D-E-S. Meron naman. What's our longest word for this round? Asteroid ba? A-S-T-E-R-O-I-D? Is it Eastern? E-A-S-T-E-R-N-S. Guys, we have two longest word for this round. It is asteroid and Easterns. They are both 8-letter word. Tama ba? E-A-S-T-E-R-N-S is 8-letter word. And asteroid is also a 8-letter word. Okay? Yeah, Ryzen, that's a good game. Okay, let's proceed to the next round. Give me time to shuffle the board. Habang sinashuffle ko yung board, kung di pa kayo naka-follow sa account ko, you can follow my account so that you can join the live every time na naka-live ako, guys. Okay, you can join the game every time na naka-live ako. Now, I need again one share. Isang mag-share na ng live, guys. Once I get ready with the board, mag-start na tayo sa game. Overthinker Bell, I think this is the third game. Okay, share nyo lang yung live, guys. Mag-share lang kayo. Meron lang isang mag-share ng live, we will go ahead with the game. Okay, thank you, Overthinker Bell, sa pag-share ng live. Okay, follow kayo, guys, kung di pa kayo naka-follow. Red Nars, thank you sa pag-follow. Yan, okay, guys. Let's go. Let's do this. What's the first word? Yan. First word na tayo guys for our round 3. Round 3 na to, di ba? Okay, game. Okay, Valley, sin. Mabilis talaga si Valley. S-E-E-N, sin. Jeans, just an. Jeans, G-E-N-E. G-E-N-E-S. Pwede yung jeans. Very good. Stint. S-T-I-N-T. Wow. Ang dami yung nakikitang word. Umpisa pa lang. Quip. Q-U-I-P. Very good. What's that word? Medyo na ano siya? Tint. T-I-N-T. T-I-N-T. Meron. Meron akong word na na-miss out. Pa-comment na ulit. Zest. Z-E. Where's the letter Z? This letter N, ha? Letter N to. Do we have a letter Z? I don't think we have it. Let me know, ha? Kung baka nadudulo. Digest. D-I. Can we do digest? D-I-G-E-S-T. Very good. Nest. N-E-S-T. Alright. I think we're doing a good job with this board. Marami tayong nakikita. Umpisa pa lang. Quint. Q-U-I-N-T. Wow. Nugget. Wow. Ang sarap ng nugget. Kaya lang isa lang. But N-U-G-G-E. N-U-G-G-E-T. Yan. Nugget. Sayang. Isang S na lang. 5 nuggets na yan. Digest with S. Can we do that? D-I-G-E-S-T-S. Wow. Very good. Yes. Pwede siyang may S yung digest. Gigs. G-I-G-S. Very good. Alright. Fun. And find. F-U-N-D. Then we do find. Yan. Pareho silang pwede. Nasa board sila. Fund tsaka nest. Let's do fund. F-O-N-D. How do we begin with that? This letter F. Do we have a letter O? Wala tayong letter O, no? Nest muna. N-E-S-T. Pero pwede yung F-U-N-D tsaka F-I-N-D. Okay? Yung fund na F-O, wala tayong letter O, di ba? Fidget. F-I-D-G-E. F-I-D-G. F-I-D. F-I-D. F-I-D-G-E. Guys, hindi yata pwedeng fidget. Pwede ba siya? Parang hindi kaya. Let me know, ha? Quint tsaka unfits. Yung quint meron, Q-U-I-N-T. Tapos unfits, U-N-F-I-T-S. Very good. Pareho meron yan over Tinkerbell. Am I missing out a word? Sin, S-E-N-E? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Nakalimutan ko na kung merong word. Di kaya fidget. Thank you, Valley, for confirming na hindi kaya yung fidget. Oh, para siya mag-i-skip ng letter, no? Okay, guys. Ilaban pa natin yung mga word na nakikita nyo. Equip. EQ, guys, ang layo ng E sa QU, parang hindi pwedeng equip. Hindi kasi pwedeng patalon-talon, no? Hindi kaya. Wala kasing ing malapit dito. Pint. Let's do pint. P-I-N-T. So we still have 2 minutes and 7 seconds left. Ang dami na natin na buo. Meron pa tayong 2 minutes. Kaya go lang, guys. Tin. P-T-E-E-N. Very good. Figs. F-I-G-S. Yan, karira na to guys ha, para mas marami tayong mabuong mga words. Sin, S-E-E-N, meron. Digents, guys, meron bang word na digents? Kala ko indigents yun. Digents, pero hindi rin siya kayang buuin, no? Hindi siya kayang buuin. Excuse me, unfits, U-N-F-I-T-S. There you go, meron siya. Yung digest meron, eto siya. Guys, ito yung digest. D-I-G-E-S-T-S. Digest. Pwede lagyan ng S. Duet. D-U-E-T. D-U-E-T. Duet. Yan. Find tsaka figs. Yung find meron. Yung figs meron din. Diretso na siya dito. Yung find naman F-I-N-D. Yan. Pwede siyang horizontally, vertically, or diagonally connected yung mga letters. Pwede yan. Dapat 4-letter words enough tayo guys sa Hennessy. Nest. Can we do a nest with the letter S? Yes, pwede. N-E-S-T-S. Very good. Yes, may fun. Feuds, ano yung sabihin ng feuds? F-U. Parang hindi siya pwede, no? Yung nuggets na may S. Nugget lang siya. N-U-G-G-E-T. Ano yan, guys? May nagbigay ng meaning. Bawal po yung sin at tin. Bawal po ito ba dapat magkadugtong, sir? S-E-E-N. Pwede yung sin. S-E-E-N. Connected naman siya. Yung tin, T-E-E-E-N. Pwede po siya, yung sin tsaka tin. Can you check that again kung pwede talaga siya? Baka ako nagkakamali. Q-U-I-N-T meron. Eggs. E-G-G-S. They can be connected vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. Basta magkadikit yung magkasunod. Didn't, guys, yung didn't kasi is did not. Hindi pwede yung ganun na, para silang shortcut. Okay, stint. S-T-I-N-T. S-T-I-N-T. T-E-E-S, pwede rin, tease. Okay, quint, meron quint. Pits, P-I-T-S, meron din, P-I-T-S. Okay guys, time's up tayo. Habol natin yung segue. Pwede ba yung segue? S-E-G-U-E. Pwede. Guys, so what's our longest word? Yes, pwede yung segue. Yung nuggets, guys, nugget lang ang pwede. Tama ba ako, guys? Ano po yung longest word natin? Is it digest? Can we count the digest? D-I-G-E-S-T-S. That's a 7-letter word. Okay guys, so congrats sa digest. Yun ang ating longest word. Thank you. So we are proceeding to the next round. Alright guys, kung di pa kayo nakafollow sa account ko, kindly follow para lagi tayong connected guys. Kasi kung di kayo nakafollow, we cannot be connected here. So kailangan nakafollow kayo para lagi tayong magkita-kita dito sa aking live. Okay? Pag nakafollow kayo, manonotify kayo na naka-live ako. Okay? Thank you sa mga nagpa-follow tsaka sa nag-share. Yan. Okay guys? So I need 2 shares dito guys. I need 2 more shares para mag-proceed na tayo sa next round. Thank you Shinang sa pag-follow. Yan guys, follow lang kayo. Dahil dito sa game na to, it's fun, entertaining, tsaka ano na din, educational din. Exercise na rin sa mga brain cells natin. Okay guys, meron na nag-share na 2. So we can go ahead with the next game. Here's the board. Timer starts now. What is our first word? Give me the first word. Sinong kaya magbigay ng first word? Yun lang, naiipit lang. Pero okay. Naiipit yung mga comment ni Eman. Comment mo lang ulit, Eman. Near. N-E-A-R. N-E-A-R. Yan. Malayo ka pero malapit din. W-I-R-E-S. Wires. Wires. W. Where's the W? W-I-R-E-S. Meron. Let's do fair. F-A-I-R. F-A-I-R. Meron. Sheer. S-H-E-A-R. I think meron ako mga words na miss out. Pa-comment ng ulit. Hunk. H-U-N-K. Pwede ba siya? Hindi ko sure kung pwede yung hunk kasi parang tatanong sa U. Let me know. Pwede siya. H-U-N-K pala. Pwede pala yung hunk. Cure. C-U-R-E. Very good. Pwede siya lagyan ng S para maging cures. Arrow. A-double-R. A-double-R. Pwede ba yung arrow? Kailangan guys magkadikit ng 2 R. Parang hindi pwede yung arrow. Let me know kung ako nagkakamali. Curse. C-U-R-S-E. Pwede naman yung curse. C-U-R-S-E. Okay. Bigay natin sa incurse. I-N-C-U-R-S. Very good Foal. F-O-A-L. Ano kasi yung foal? Ano yan, di ba? Parang batang something. It's a baby something. Chunk. C-H-U-N-K. C-H-U-N-K. Very good. Hair. H-A-I-R. Guys, kung hindi ko pa shoutout yung word nyo, comment nyo ulit. Shrink. S-H-R-I-N-K. Kasi may timer tayo, guys. Sayang naman yung mga word na nakita nyo kung di natin ma-share sa live. Okay, shrink meron. Rehear. R-E-H-E-A-R. Meron naman. Cures. Yes, meron cures. Dito siya. C-U-R-E-S. Foal is a baby horse. Thank you, love. Teruel. Thank you. Yes. Foal is a baby horse. So, wink. W-I-N-K. Let's see it. Meron namang wink. Yan. Kindat-kindatan muna natin yung mga letters kung di pa tayo nakakita. Near. Meron. N-E-A-R. Very good. Malapit. Guys, di ba sa live na to, kahit na malalayo tayo sa isa, parang malapit na rin. Nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Kaya nakakatuwang maging interactive guys. N-U-R-S-E, mag-interactive ng games na tulad nito. Shrunk. Okay, shrunk. S-H-R-U-N-K. Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Isa sa mga movie na gusto kong panoorin nung way back in the 90s. Ewan ko, hindi ko naman siya favorite pero gusto ko siya pinapanood. When. W-H-E-N. W-H-E-N. Merong when. WAFT. W-A-F-T. May WAFT sa board pero hindi ko alam ibig sabihin If you can give the meaning, much better. Yung shrink meron din. S-H-R-I-N-K. Very good. Meron yung shrink, may shrunk. Okay, wink tsaka rink. Yung wink meron, yung rink. Tingnan natin. Parang skating rink. R-A-R-I-R-I-N-K. There you go. Meron. Wires. Merong wires. Dito siya. W-I-R-E-S. Meron. Real. Yung pera sa Saudi yan. Diba? Real. R-I-A-L, meron. May chunk din may curse. Okay, Ferris, let's do Ferris. F-A-I-R-I. Pwede ba yung Ferris? F-A-I-R-I. Hindi yata pwede yung Ferris, tatalon yung I sa E, no? Parang hindi siya pwede. Pero andali, F-A-I-R-I-E-S. Pwede pala, if you do it in this way. F-A-I-R-I-E-S. Very good, may Ferris. Ferris. Hair. Buhok, H-A-I-R, meron naman. Incurse, merong incurse. Tsaka curse, parang meron yan. Overthinker bell. Okay? Lair, L-A-I-R. L-A-I-R. O, pwede yung ano, no? Pwede yung, ano yan? Ano kasi yung word na yan kanina? Fairies, kala ko hindi pwede. Okay, riches, yan. R-I-C-H-E-S, C-H-E-S, meron ding riches. Sheer meron. Beauty, meron sheer, dito siya, S-H-E-A-R, diretso doon. Yes, curse, C-U-R-S-E, meron. Shrink, meron. The mouse, shrink, curse, meron. Sphinx, fall, birth, meron. Jingay, use, tsaka cues. Kumusta ka na, Jingay? H-U-E-S, meron use. Inches, I-N-C-H-E-S. I-N-C-H-E-S. Merong inches. Wires. So, niya, merong wires. Ito siya. W-I-R-E-S. Ayan. Taiwan. Hindi pwedeng Taiwan, guys, because it is a place. Hindi pwedeng pangalan ng lugar, pangalan ng tao. Heirs. H-E-I-R. H-E-I-R-S. Pwedeng heirs. Yes, pwedeng riches. So, still have 16 seconds left. Merong incurs. Merong rich. Merong here. Okay, Hank meron din. Rink meron. Yung tank, di pa na-check. T-A-N-K, meron tank. Just Ann wins, W-I-N-C-E, meron din. Sheer meron. Niche, habol natin yung niche, N-I-C-H-E. Okay, guys. Habol natin yung whirl, W-H-I-R-L, meron naman. Meron din yung whirl, okay? So what is our longest word, guys? Natatandaan nyo pa yan ating longest word? Time's up na tayo for this round. What's our longest word? Kaya sabi ko, guys, i-comment yung paulit-ulit yung mga word na nakikita nyo para sigurado ma-shoutout natin. I think it's fairies. Tama, no? F-A-I-R-I-E-S is a 7-letter word. Tama ba ako? R-E-H-E-A-R is a 6-letter word. Yung rehear, so hindi siya. To hear again or anew, especially judicially. Oo nga. Okay, ito yung rehear, ha? Rehear. Ang meaning ng rehear, to hear again or anew, especially judicially. Yung mga hearings, no? Okay, our longest word is fairies. It's a 7-letter word, okay? Thank you, Phoenix17. So, kung meron pa kayong hindi pa kayo naka-follow, guys, pwede na kayong mag-follow din if you want, okay? To join our live every time. Okay, let me shuffle the board. Hanggang 9:30 po tayo naka-live. Okay, hanggang 9:30. So, makikita nyo, guys, tuloy-tuloy yung ating mga games para mas makarami tayo, di ba? Ngayon, guys, bago tayo mag-proceed sa next round, I want to know kung ano, nakapag-dinner na ba kayo, guys? Yes or no? Nakapag-dinner na ba kayo? Let me know kung nakapag-dinner na kayo, guys. Concern lang ako sa inyo. Jingay, na-miss ko yung game. Oh, na-miss ka din namin, Jingay. Meron din tayong classmate na si Phyllis _ Carla. Hindi ko rin siya nakikita pa. Si Phyllis, pero meron tayong isa pang Phyllis dito. Ayan, thank you sa... Ayan, yabang nyo na ngayon kasi nakapag-dinner na kayo. Joke lang. Okay? So, yan. Good to know na nakapag-dinner. Si Miss Postscript, yan. Miss Postscript, parang ngayon ka lang ulit, nag-attend ng live, no? O hindi ka lang nagko-comment? Kaya po Yes, nakapag-dinner naman din ako. Sabi ko na nga ba, Miss Postscript, hindi ka nakaka-attend. Okay, welcome back, Miss Postscript. Yes, Cherilyn, nakapag-dinner naman na ako. Okay, thank you, Yamil, sa pag-follow. Okay, guys, I need 1 share ng live. Isang share lang. We will go on with the next round, next game na. Isang share lang ng live. Sino pwede mag-share? Isa lang, mag-game na tayo ulit. Okay? Can I see a sharer now? 1 share only, guys. Who can do it? You can do that, guys. Kaya nyo yan. Isang share lang. Magpupusin. Ayun, si Love Teruel. Thank you. Ito na, guys. I'm giving away the board. I want you to give the first word right now. Kaya na ba, guys? May nakita na ba kayo? Thank you, Jingay, sa pag-share ng live. And kay user 636 something something. Sign. S-I-N. Hindi ko na mabuo kasi may nag-comment ng word. Tally. T-A-L-L-Y. Meron? Wait, guys, may mga na-miss out na ako agad kasi W-A-I-T meron. 1 W-A-N-T meron. What else? Tally meron, tally. Comment nyo ulit yung mga words kanina, guys, na-skip ko. A-L-L-Y meron, guys. That's a lot of consonants. Oo nga, para medyo mahirap siya. Splat. S-P-L-A-T. I don't know the meaning of the word splat, pero nasa board naman siya, Marvin. And ma. Merong wait. Okay, what else guys? Can you give the next words and comment your words again kung di ko pa na-shoutout? Okay, alay meron, A-L-L-Y, tapos what? Ilang watts ba yung mga ilaw nyo guys sa mga bahay nyo? Pati bahay nyo kung minapakilaman. Z-O-N-E-S, pwede. Guys, pwede ba yung zones? I don't think so kasi walang Z, walang O na malapit na letter Z. Okay, taste. Sphinx, anong sabihin ng taste? Parang nilalaban nyo na yung mga word na hindi yata kaya. Ano yung sabihin ng taste? Nan, N-O-N-E. Guys, wag kayong papaano. Marami pa namang words to. L-E-N-S. Wag panghihinaan ng loob kahit maraming consonants ha. W-T, W-I-T-T-T-Y, meron. What? W-A-N-T, meron. Ions, yes may sign na. Ions naman. Merong sign, S-I-N-E. Install, let's do that. Hennessy, I-N-S, I-N, pwede ba install? Sana kaya natin yung gawin. I-N-S, Allah, hindi yata kaya install. Let me know guys, kaya ba natin buuin yung install? Na hindi tayo mag-skip ng mga letters? Twice muna. T-W-I-C-E, T-W-I-C-E. There you go, meron naman. Once, O-N-E, O-N-E, hindi, guys, hindi yata kaya yung once kasi O-N-E, ang layo ng E sa S. Let me know kung kakayanin nyo kung kayo ha. Ins, I-N-N-I-N-N-S, pwede ba siya? Parang hindi rin kaya kasi tatalin yung N sa S. Hindi siya kaya, no? Ang dami kasing consonant eh. Yung what, pwede. Gawin natin ulit. W-A-N-T, meron siya. No problem, guys. Pwede magkamali dito. Splat, guys, meron naman. Pwede ko alam yung sabihin niya. Kung mabigyan yung meaning, mas maganda. Neon, N-E-O-N, pwede yung neon. Sa kabila, Berlang, ano yung sa kabila? Guys, pag meron kayong pino-point out, paki-comment din yung word agad para agad nating ma-gets, okay? Kasi pag nag-move on na tayo, I-N-N-S, pwede pala yung ins, I-N-N-S, there you go. Yung sinasabi ni Berlang, ions pwede, I-O-N-S, tama Berlang, ins ba sinasabi mo? Tali, greasy, melon, matol, T-A-L-L, pwede siya. Yan, pwede, matangkad. Yon, yan, malapit na tayo maghikab-hikab dyan guys, Y-A-W-N. Sunny, a young boy. Okay, Sunny. S-O-N-N-Y. Pwede. Twice. Yung pala yung sabihin ng Sunny, no? Di ba may pangalan na Sunny? Young boy pala. T-W-I-C-E. Meron. Di ba natututo tayo ng mga words dito? We learn new words that akala natin, tulad ng Sunny. Young boy pala ibig sabihin nun. Paul. P-O-L-L. Pwede ba? I don't think so. Pwede yung Paul kasi yung P nandito, tapos may O. Tatalon sa L. Hindi pwede kasing patalon-talon. Kailangan lagi magkadikit yung magkasunod. Titan, T-I-T-A-N. Pwede naman yung Titan. Tali, Jingay, pwede. Dito siya, T-A-L-L-Y. Very good. Meron twice, Mikay. Yan si Mikay. Mikay, ngayon lang kita ulit nakita ata, no? W-I-T. Natatandaan ko kaya kayo. W-I-T-T-Y. Meron witty, guys. Witty. Ang daming witty dito, guys. Alay, meron. Alay. There you go. Dito, A-L-L-Y. Okay guys, welcome back sa ating mga regular classmates, pati sa mga new classmates natin. Welcome kayo dito sa live guys. Okay, Tali meron, Want meron. Glory May, thank you sa pag-follow. Yes, Tali, Evangeline meron. Naka-follow ka na ba, Evangeline? Maoy, Tali meron guys. Okay, wait, merong wait. Thank you user 845 something sa pag-follow. Splat guys, ibig sabihin splat. Ano ba to? Past few, hello, mukhang di ako naka-timing this past few days. Oo nga. Paiba-iba kasi ng oras. Sorry naman. Ako yung paiba-iba guys. Tony, plural ng Tonys. Okay, Tony. T-A-W-N-Y. T-A-W-N-Y. Meron naman, Cherilyn. Kay Mito twice. This is for twice. Para kanina yung twice. T-W-I-C-E. Kay Mito, ano yan? May hirit ka. Splat. Ito yung sabihin ng splat. Courtesy of Overthinker Bell, a single flat, thin, often ornamental member of a back of a chair. Okay, yun daw yung splat. So, part siya ng chair na ornamental. Alright, lens. Habol natin. L-E-N-S. Merong lens. What is our longest word, guys? Splat, slapping hand. Pwede daw slapping sound. Pwede din daw ganun meaning splat. What's our longest word, guys? Hennessy may yon, Cherilyn may tell. Okay? Mag-comeback na po ng twice. Please stream their new songs. Oo nga. Sabi nga ng anak ko guys, kinuwento niya sa akin kahapon. Okay? Guys, ano yung longest word natin for this round? Natatandaan niyo pa ba? Time's up na tayo sa round na to. Ano yung longest word? Hanggang 9:30 tayo naka-live, guys. Kaya, i-maximize na natin, guys. Ano yung longest word, guys? Bilisan natin para makadami pa tayo. Twice ba? TW. 5-letter word lang ba yung at meron tayong longest ngayon? 5-letter word lang bang nabuo natin? Okay, twice daw. Sino po ang bias na anak niyo po? Hindi ko pa natanong. Tanongin ko siya. Parang wala pong 6. Oh, ano lang, guys. So, witty tsaka twice. Okay. Let's go! Shuffle na natin ulit to, guys. Alright? Alright. Guys, ipag-share naman natin yung live, guys. Kung sino, ngayon, guys, wala akong sasabihin kung ilan ang share ang kailangan natin share. Kung sino po pwede mag-share ngayon, guys, paki-share nyo na yung live. Okay, kahit isa lang yan, dalawa, tatlo, no matter what. Kung ilan po yung kaya mag-share, okay? Kung di pa kayo nakapag-follow, again, I invite you to I'm inviting you to follow my account so that you can join the live every time. So, okay guys, I'm ready with the next round. Bibilis na natin kasi guys, gusto ko makarami pa tayo hanggang 9:30. Bahalay mo, makatatlo pa tayo. Game, timer starts now. What's the first word? Okay, follow lang guys, hindi pa naka-follow. Let's see Jingay. Mali natin. Beer. B-E-E-R. Pwede ba yung beer? Guys, di ako sure sa beer. Pwede. B-E-E-R. Meron. Rim. R-E-A-M. R-E-A-M. Very good. Year. Y-E-A-R. Y-E-A-R. O yan. Bear. B-A-R-E. Very good. Tin ba yun? Tin? Dali guys, naduling ako sa word na yun. Kung tin ba yun? Scooby, thank you sa pag-share. Benefit muna. Benefit. B-E-N-E o B-E-N-E B-E-N-E-F-I-T. Merong benefit. Pend. Jacqueline Pend. Let's do it. Letter P. P-E-N-N-E-D. Merong Pend. Glory May. Fade. Guys, make sure kung nakafollow kayo ha. Lalo na kung nakikisali na kayo sa game. Palagi kayong makasali. Fade meron. Def. D-E-A-F. Very good. Ano pa? Yearn. Chingay. Yearn. Y-E... R-O-A-M. Meron din. Warn. W-A-R-N. Right. Loner. L-O-A-N-E-R-N-E-R. Meron namang loner. Far away. Guys, yung far away, one word ba yun? In a far away land. Okay, parang one word, no? Parang ginagamit siyang one word. Far away. Gawin natin. Let me know ha, pero parang ginagamit siyang one word. Far away. Far away. Okay? Warn. W-A-R-N. Meron. Tama guys, yung far away ginagamit siyang one word. Ayun, nag-confirm siya overthinker bell. Oo daw. Benefit meron. Bait. B-A-I-T. Yes guys, meron benefit. Ito yung benefit. B-E-N-E-F-I-T. Okay, what else? Band. B-A-N-N B-A B-A-N-N-E-D. Merong band. Okay, Beamy. Sabi ko si Beamy daw. B-E paano ba? Pwede ba yung Beamy? Parang hindi siya kayang gawin. B-E guys, parang tatalon yung Beamy, no? Let me know guys ha. Ano yun? Aware? A-W-A-R-E. Pwede yung aware. Brand. Yan, brand. Sa tinapay yan, di ba? B-R-A-N. B-R-A-N. Merong brand. Far away is one word, sabi daw. Okay, meaner. M-E-A-N-E-R. M-E-A-N-E-R. Meaner. What else, guys? May miss out ba ako? Yes, thank you, Ann, sa pag-confirm na one word on far away and kay Overthinker Belden. Earn. E-A-R-N. E-A-R-N. Very good. Ano pa, guys? Loner. Yes, Rick. May loner, Rick. L-O-A-N-E-R. Hopefully, nakafollow kayo, guys. Lalo na kung nakikisali na kayo sa game, ha? Okay, fund. F-A-F-A-N-N-E-D. Okay, guys. What else? Gilia, Dana, thank you sa pag-follow. Pend. Miss Postscript may pend. Ito yung pend. P-E-N-N-E-D. Okay, sana wala na ako na-miss out na word. Loaf. Pwede ba yung loaf? L-O-F-E, L-O-A, L-O-A-F-E-D. Pwede ba yan? Sabi na nga, naiipit ako kayo sa pag-confirm. Ay, man, try mo i-comment ng 3 times yung word mo. Para pumasok lang siya. Bronze. B-R-O... Oo nga, sayang na may mga words mo, Eman. B-R-O-N. Wala tayong letter Z eh. Letter N to. Hindi pwede yung bronze kasi wala tayong letter C. Overthinkable, Baron. The wife, widow of Baron. The wife of or widow of Baron. Baron. Okay, Baron. Baron. B-A-R-R. Guys, hindi pwede overthinkable kasi isa lang R natin. Ay, tama. B-I-R-O-N-N-E. Isa R lang pala talaga siya, no? Overthinkable. So, meron Baron. Baron. The wife or widow of Baron. Eh, di ba Baroness yun? Ako isa lang Baron. Okay, Barn. B-A-R-N. Meron. What else? Merong Brand. G-Woneng. Meron. Brand. Where tsaka Mare. Let's do that. W-A-R-E. Tapos Mare. M-A-R-E. Parehong meron. Brim. Ano yung sabihin ng Brim? B-R-E-A-M. Ano yung sabihin ng? Pero nasa board naman siya. Benefit tsaka Brand. Benefit Martin meron. Yung brand gawin natin. B-R-A-N-N-E-D. Brand. Okay? Meron pa. May word na brand. Oh, pwede yung brand. The Baron is not a word. Hindi the word yung Baron, guys. Kailangan sa Merriam-Webster tayo titingin. Fish species po yung brim. Thank you, Gracie, for providing the meaning of the word brim. Species daw siya ng fish. So, what is our longest word, guys? What's our longest? Baroness ang tama. Oo nga, no? Baka ano siya, baka UK, baka British version. Di ba ganon? Yearner? Habol natin yearner, guys. Nasa Merriam-Webster daw yung Baron. Yearner. Y-E-A-R-N-Y-E-A-R-N-E. Hindi ata kaya yung yearner, no? Kasi isang R lang tayo. Okay, what's our longest word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yung benefit, B-E-N-E-F-I-T. Benefit din, no? 2, 3, 4. Benefit, Baron, tsaka Brand ang ating mga longest word. Okay? 7-letter words silang lahat. Okay. Congrats, guys. Okay. Habol natin yung last round, guys. Last round na tayo kasi hanggang 9:30 lang tayo pwede mag-live ngayon. Plural form ang Baroness ng Baron. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rog. Habol natin, guys. Alright. Guys, meron pa tayo dito taga-ibang bansa na viewer natin at this time. At this moment, meron ba tayong from abroad na viewer? Curious lang ako, guys. Kung meron tayong TikTok 2. Nasaan ka ngayon, TikTok 2? Saan kang bansa ngayon? New York 2. New York ko ba lang pala? Alright. Kung di ka mo notify. Alright guys, follow kayo para, tinan mo, naka-follow sa, hindi, nalilipin notification. Paano pa kung hindi kayo naka-follow? Lalong hindi kayo man-notify. Kaya maganda naka-follow kayo. Taga Middle East daw si TikTok 2. Alright. Ingat-ingat dyan sa Middle East. Kala ko naman, totoo na. Okay guys, Ox lang yan. Middle West. Middle Okay guys, ayan na daw si Martin. Inaabangan ni Miss Postscript. Okay? I need one share na lang live guys at this time. Isang share lang, we'll proceed to the next game. Pwede na ba kayo mag-check ng mga words si Martin? No, please check. Dictionary, Baroness is singular po. Baronesses ang plural. Okay, medyo meron tayong konting sa ating Baron sa Baroness. I will confirm that guys after the live para i-check ko mabuti yan. Okay, sanay na to si Emma. Okay guys, eto na, meron na isang nag-share so we're moving on to the next round. Wala pa si Patka at saka sina Marvin. Guys, a timer starts now. What's the first word? Sana makahabol sila. Kahit yung last word lang. Siren? Ang bilis Siren. S-I-R-E-N. Meron. Trap. T-R-A-P. Meron trap. Creates. Wow, that's a nice word. Creates. Kaya buuin natin. C-R-E-A-T-E-S. Meron creates. Cares. C-A-R-E-S. Meron. Partner. Wow, ang ganda ng board natin. P-A-R-T-N-E-R. Pwede siya lagyan ng S. Partners. Creator. C-R-A-T-E-R. What else? Breach. B-R-E-A-C-H. Meron breach. Pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. Pattern meron. Create, merong create. Creates meron. C-R-E-A-T-E-S. Okay? Reuse, R-E-U-S-E. Very good. Creative, C-R-E-A-T-I-V-E. Very good. May creative din. What else? Reach, R-E-A-C-H meron. Research, R-E-S-E. Pwede ba R-E-S-E-A-R-C-H? Meron ding research. Renter, R-E-N-T-E-R. Merong renter. Recentive. Ano sabihin ng recentive? R-E-S-E-R-E-S-E-N-T-I-V-E. Ano sabihin ng recentive? Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Yan. Enticers. Eman yan, nabasa ko. Eman. N-E-N-T-I-C-E-R-S. Eman, nabasa ko yung enticers mo. Partners meron, tsaka pattern. Pareho meron. Raters. R-A-T-E-R-S. Meron raters. Reuse meron, Rachel. Bereave. B-E-R-E-A-V-E. Meron din bereave. Crates. C-R-A-T-E-S. Craters. C-R-A-T-E-R-S. Trances. T-R-A. Paano yung trances? T-R-A. Pwede ba yung trances? T-R-A-N. Guys, pwede ba yung trances? Let me know kung pwede siya. Ito, pantries. Partners, patterer. Yung partners meron, Martin. Check natin yung pantries saka patterer. Pantries muna. P-A-N-T-R-I-E-S. Pwede, pantries. Tapos patterer. Ano ibig sabihin ng patterer? P-A-T-T-E-R-E-R. Ano ibig sabihin ng patterer, Martin? Pero pwede yung pantries saka partners, ha? Richard, may partners. Ayan, si Richard. Regular din yan. Reuse patterns. Thank you sa ating mga regular na classmate. Retrace. R-E-T-R-A-C-E. Sina Most, Miss Postscript, Overthinker Bell. Sina Pinkie Pie. Inner Soul. Inner Soul parang matagal ka din naka-attend, no? Anong word mo, inner soul? Inner soul. Dali guys ha, nag-move na sa baba yung mga comments. So, nasa baba na ako nakatingin. So, kung hindi ko ma-shoutout, pa-comment na lang ulit. Caviar. C-A-V-I-A-R. Meron. Caviar. Caterer. C-A-T-E. Dali. C-A. How do T-E? Cater lang yata yung pwede guys. Hindi pwedeng, parang hindi pwedeng caterer. Pwede. Caterer. Doon pala siya. Alright. What else? Partners po may. Cherilyn Hatter. H-A-T-T-E-R. Pwede din. Hatters, no? Carter. C-A. Guys, apelido ata yung Carter, no? Parang apelido ba yan? At brand siya, di ba? Cart, pwede yung cart. Pero nasa board naman yung Carter, ha? Hindi ko lang sure kung may word na Carter. Na hindi pangalan ng tao, hindi pangalan ng brand. Trait, tsaka ratan. T-R-A-I-T, meron. Tapos ratan, R-A-T-T-A-N, meron. Meron partners, resin, R-E-S-I-N, pwede ba siya? Parang hindi pwede tatalo ng I sa N, no? Patient ba o patent? Patent. Patent, merong patent. Pwede rin patient. Ay, hindi pwede patient. Patent lang pala pwede. Patent. Ayun na. Quits meron. Mr. Maverick, ano yun? Trapiche? Native. N-A-T-I-V-E. Pwede. Igolotes, merong creative. Kuchiku. Beraters. Check natin. Beraters. May beraters din. Kuchiku. Meron ba ako na-miss out? Trapiche. Ano siya mo trapiche? Trapiche. O trapich. T-R-A-P-I-C-H-E. Mr. Maverick, alam mo sabihin trapich? Braces, habol natin yan. B-R-A-C-E-S. Braces. Okay guys, ano yung longest word natin? What do you think is our longest word? A sugar mill daw yung trapich. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letter word dyan. Mayroon pa ba tayong lalaban sa sa 8 letter word na trapich o trapiche? Ano yung longest word natin guys? Yun na ba yan? Treacherous. Pwede ba yung treacherous? Hindi ata Treache. Hindi siya kaya, no? RI. Tatalon siya dun eh. Parang hindi kaya yung treacherous, no? Ano yung longest word natin, guys? Brave? Yes, may brave. Pwede. B-R-A-V-E. Ano yung longest word natin, guys? Partners? Oh, mauulit nga, no? Partners. Partners, caterers. Caterers. Partners, caterers, tsaka trapitch ang ating longest word. Treacher, T-R-E-A-C-H, tsaka treacher. Okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Tsaka patterns pala. Yan. Patterns, partners, trapiche, ano pa kasi isa? R-E-S-E-A-R. Research, pwede rin. C-R-E-A-T-I-V. Creative, pwede din. Ang dami pala. Wow, ang dami pala. Ano pa kasing isa? Yan, creative. Pasok yan sa ating longest word. Very good round, no? Ang ganda na round natin, yes. Okay? So guys, that's our last game for this live. Believe 7 letters lang. 8 letters yung mga longest word natin. Phoenix, ano ba siya ng ratatcher? May ratatcher ba? Tingnan nga natin. Mayroon namang ratatcher. Kaya ano ibig sabihin nun, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 letters sana yun, na kung may word. French word yun. Dapat English word kasi. Okay, that was a good round. We had a good round tonight. And nag-enjoy din ako, guys. So, yun. Kung di pa kayo naka-follow, mag-follow lang kayo sa aking account para lagi kayo makasama dito sa exciting, fun, interactive, and exercise sa ating brain cells. Alright? Thank you very much, guys. We had a good 1 hour live tonight. Learn some new words. Yes. Oh, yan maganda, guys. Nag-expand yung vocabulary natin. Okay, guys. If you can share the live pa, pwede namang i-share. Tapos follow lang kayo. Okay? Did you enjoy, guys? Nag-enjoy ba sa ating game? Guys, time's up na tayo dito. Nag-enjoy ba sa ating game? Let me know. Did you enjoy our game? Did you enjoy our live? Buti nakahabol. Oo nga, Jingay. Guys mag-regular na kayo ulit kasi magre-regular na ako ulit. Okay? 10 PM daw request. Sige. Baka bukas 10 PM tayo mag-start. Okay? Try natin bukas 10 PM para nandyan yung iba pa nating classmates. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Have a good night's sleep and God bless everyone. Thank you. Salamat. Yes, regular na ulit, Jingay. Martin, hanggang 9:30 lang talaga ako ngayon kasi mayroon akong mga assignments. Okay? Thank you. Good night, everyone. God bless.